Okay, we are now live on YouTube. So welcome everybody. Apparently going live on YouTube, it seems that I have lost the ability to mute and unmute you guys individually or together. So if you guys can go ahead and hit mute on your screens, that way we don't have all the background noise. Onyx and I will stay unmuted, but if everybody else could please hit mute, that'd be great. What we're going to go over today is we're going to go over and do a live version of the Manny chat that we just got set up in Messenger for our training. This is Kathy Rodriguez, and I'm live here with Onyx Cole. She's on the phone. So Onyx, do you want to start off?
Sure. Well, welcome everyone. It's been another just bang up week. Everybody is exploding and using the map and, moving forward with their first goals in the business and moving up in ranks, which has been really neat to see. I'm very excited with what has been created. Kathy and I have worked diligently at getting this messenger bot created. It's state of the art. There's nothing like it anywhere in the MLM industry. And I think you and your team members, the people you enroll, are really going to love it because it's interactive, it's fun, and it's fast moving, but they're going to get the data without having to sit there and read a 20-page PDF.
Awesome.
Do you want to show it, Kathy?
Yeah, let me get to that screen real quick.
Okay.
It's kind of amazing that it lets all of this stuff go on at one time. So I'm kind of new at this, so bear with me. Okay, there we have it. There is my screen. So what happens here is we have a little link that I did email out yesterday. I have some people that are saying, it doesn't work, the link didn't work. It's not gonna work unless you do have Messenger installed on your phone. Because if your phone's not set up to automatically go out and grab that app, you're just gonna get a link that's broken because it does work with Messenger. Okay, I'm trying to get to that real quick, so.
But you don't have to be on Facebook to use this. You only have to download Messenger.
Exactly, so when you get the link, it's the http://bit.ly/x39 team. That's our link. It takes you straight to this Messenger chat. Now, because I'm on my computer and I already have Messenger, it'll automatically open up Messenger, a redirect to that. Okay, I should have been logged in. That's weird. And this is exactly how you guys would want to go through. So there we go. It's welcoming me into this. You get a welcome message right from Onyx and I. It's recognizing me not as Kathy, that's the team leader, just Kathy that came into the bot that needs training. So you'll see you'll have a message here. Onyx, Cole, and I are so excited to be working with you. This is our Quantum Field X39 team messenger system. This is where we deliver all the information you need to build your business. Are you ready to launch to the next level? Click the Give It To Me button below to get started. So when it does that, when you click the buttons that it's telling you to, it's actually giving a response to the messenger chat. So it comes back and it's pulled the information right off my Facebook page. Now, if you don't want to use the email that's on the Facebook page, you can change it by putting change something. But if that's correct and good enough for you to have that email, then you just hit that's correct. And it's going to go through quite a few processes on this.
So let me interrupt for a minute, Kathy. Remember, whatever email you pick is important because it allows us to interact with you. So if you're like me and you have an email attached to your Facebook account that's irrelevant, you never go to, you never go look at, you don't want to leave that email in there. You want to switch to an email account that you use actively because you will receive emails from us from time to time.
Yes. So as you go through this, and it would be good too for you guys if you use the same email that you registered at the site with, because that way you're not getting multiple communications from us. Our Quantum Field X39 team site, try to use the same email as that. That way you're only getting one communication from us on certain things. You're going to get it through Messenger and also through
No.
Okay, So you can see this, it says, that's correct, yes, and correct. I'm getting multiple messages in here. It just gave me an update. We have 50 total members now that are registered on here. So it's going to walk you through how to register through our website. And this is really important to get your people to go through this, because that way they are registered in the communications, in the training. Okay, so once you're done, you click register on website or I'm registered. And I am registered, so I'm going to click I'm registered. So you can see the next one. This next one is going to guide you to our Facebook group. Are you a member of the Facebook group? And if you're not, you're going to put I know or I don't know. And it's going to actually give you the tools that you need to actually go straight to the Facebook group to add yourself to that group. Okay.
Alexa, turn down.
Okay. And then you can go, you can decide whether you want to fast track this training. So if you have about 45 minutes of your day that you can put just to watching the videos and getting yourself trained, you could actually do it all at one time. Or you can choose to do one training module or video per day over the next 5 days. Watch video. If you click this, the actual video comes up, takes you right to where you can actually watch that video. The internet's slow today, so we're just going to go next message.
And I think that's great. It just gets everybody an idea of what, you know, how it's going to work, how interactive it is. And each one of you needs to make a decision about whether or not you want to build this business easy or you want to build it hard. And if you want to build it hard, then you want to stay off all on your own, and you want to keep everybody you put in the business all off on their own. If you want to build it easy, then you're going to put people into this system and to allow people, Kathy and I, to help train your people that you put in the business, so you don't have to sit down and spend that time saying, okay, here it is where you're going to go sign up for the website. Here's the videos that you need to watch. So this will save an immense amount of time for each and every one of you. Now, once you get through the 6 days worth of training, which can, as Kathy said, can all be fast-tracked and be done in 45 minutes, your choice. Once you get through that, everybody in the group goes into a bin. And that's why we need it to be an email address and a text message address in case we need to text you or email you. But what will end up happening then is you will get one message a day from Kathy and I, one tickle a day, and you have to interact with that message. So you'll notice at the bottom of the message, there'll be a question. I don't know yet what the question will be, but if you interact with that message, even if it's a no or a yes, it doesn't matter what it is, it allows us to send you tomorrow's message. If you don't interact with that message every 24 hours, then you won't receive tomorrow's message. So it is an interactive thing. What you'll be receiving is just keeping you in touch with us. So you'll get perhaps a testimonial, a business building tip, Zoom call information. Maybe there's something new at corporate you to know about. Whatever it might be to help you to build your business, to keep you on track. Just like Kathy and I are on track every day working with our businesses. So it'll be a great tool for all of us to stay connected. As you know, it's been the thing that has been the most difficult for me, staying in touch with everyone, because we just mushroomed so fast and we continue to just explode, which is a wonderful, wonderful problem. And I feel that this messenger bot will really help us today and then in the future. So anybody you've already put into the business, you need to be sure to get them this link and get them to go through it and make sure they put anybody that they've already put into the business through this. And then in the future, the first thing you want to do when you sign somebody up in the business is you want to put them through this training. So this will help everybody's business multiply and grow much, much faster.
Okay, you'll notice at the end of it, when you get through all of the process, I was sitting here clicking complete, so we could see this. You can see at the end, there's the link that you have that you can actually save and share with your team members that you enroll and get them on this as soon as possible. But the other thing that Onyx had an idea of adding was restart the training. So let's say you're sitting with somebody that's been in network marketing in the past and they know how hard it is to stay in front of people or get people to actually engage into the training. The days of the getting started trainings, in PDF is gone because people just don't get them out. They don't print them. They don't write on them. They don't use them. So this is an amazing tool. Onyx and I are probably the first ever out there that's using Messenger bots to train our people. So you can actually show somebody sitting side by side, restart the training, and you can demo this. So it doesn't put you back in there once, it doesn't add you to our list again. It'll recognize the fact that you're just watching it because you've already watched it one time. And you're going to be able to demo this out to builders and networkers in the past that said, I did that. And I just couldn't keep people engaged. Training was just a bummer. I'm really busy right now. Well, let us do the training for you. Onyx and I, my team leaders, they have come out with this great way to help us keep your people engaged and use this as a way to help you get builders within your organization.
So I think you guys are really going to love this. I wasn't there in the Vitalis days. Obviously, I was building my juice business, but I heard the word on the street was that, in the Vitalis business, everybody would come together and they had this really cool app. And everybody would just show the app, make a bunch of smoothies, and people would join the business because they were excited about the app. I think that you're going to find with Messenger Bot, many people are going to join because they're like, oh, I can do this business. I don't have to spend time training everybody. I can just patch. Go out and patch 3 people a day, and then you put them into your business. And then first thing you do is put them into this training system. I think you're going to be very pleased at how your business is going to grow and multiply. So that's Kathy and my goal, is to help you all build the biggest business you can. Because you all need your. So are we ready to go to the next topic, Kathy?
Yes. I'm going to stop
Okay.
this here too.
Okay, so I think that it's come up a few times because a lot of people are, not a lot, but some of the people are starting to come to their end of their 90 days for their diamond pack, which means they're coming to the end of their auto ship, and it's time for them to sign on to auto ship. And so I think it's really important that we all start talking more about auto ship, both for ourselves and for the people in our team. Remember that when you put somebody in the business at a bronze or silver or gold or platinum, it does not include any auto ship. So that means that the next 28 days, if they have not reordered, then in terms of qualifying for the rank advancing, you're going to have that silver that was there is no longer a qualified or active silver. So you want to be sure that you put the people into your business on auto ship and then put yourself in as well. One of the things which I explained last week, which I'll explain again, is the maintenance pack that David created for us, which I really like. So to store points in your business, you need to be on one sleeve of X39. And in order to rank advance in the business, you need to be on 2 sleeves. But in fact, it's only 110 PV. So what David did was he put together 9 sleeves, which is about $750 plus taxes and shipping. You would pay for that today. You would receive the 9 sleeves today. And then over the next 6 months, you will get 110 PV put into your business center as your qualifying auto ship points. So this, for me, that's what I went in and did. One, it's price effective. Instead of buying 12 sleeves, I only need to buy 9. 2, I only need to receive 1 shipment, which for me I love, rather than having to run in the mailbox once a month to try and find my X39 sleeves. And then 3, it's very cost effective because David put the price of the sleeves down, so I think it's $84 a sleeve. So it becomes a win-win-win if you ask me. But if that's what you all want to do, then you just need to go into your back office. It's under store, and it says right there, maintenance kits. And you're looking for the X39 one that's 9 sleeves. I believe it's pack number 3, and it's 9 sleeves, and it's about $745, $49, something like that. So I wanted to share that with you. The other thing that I wanted to remind everybody is David did put in the back office for us 2-day shipping for both gold and for diamond. So it's a flat rate shipping. I don't remember the flat rate for the gold, but the flat rate for the diamond is $15. So when you are data entering somebody and you get to the section where you're picking their shipping, you, instead of picking UPS or USPS, you just look for the 2-day priority flat rate $15 shipping, and you click that button when you enroll a diamond, and then they can come in and have their product shipped to them for only $15, which I think is just a wonderful benefit. So that was really all I had for this week, Kathy. Do you have anything else that you want to go over?
No, I was going to do some social media stuff, but if we do that, that'll take up probably 30, 45 minutes. And I don't want this to run this long. I really wanted this to be about getting people out there, seeing the messenger bot and getting that messenger bot link out to your people. So once I get to YouTube and shut off this Zoom, I'll put that link in that YouTube video. This YouTube video will be unlisted. So I will put it on the training website as well. This is a paid for service that Onyx is, sorry about that guys, that Onyx is covering the cost of, so we can't have it open up to the whole world. So it is an unlisted link. So if you need the link to the YouTube and you can't find it, just message me and I'll get you the link. So that would be it. Next week, we're gonna go over really the differences in the social media and why it's so important in this day and age to build a little bit with a social media presence. Can you imagine if we had 1,000 of us out there talking about LifeWave, X39, the Quantum Field X39 team on our social media? So we'll be going over that. So if you guys want to really engage in that, have an Instagram set up with your name, have a Facebook page set up, or Facebook, so I can teach you guys how to go live on Facebook when you are talking about X39. All right?
Awesome. So wait. Before we go, I want to remind everybody that tonight there's a meeting in Naples, and Sierra, my daughter, tomorrow night, and my daughter will be leading that meeting. So definitely, she's a millennial. If you have millennials that you would like to introduce to the business, bring. But I will tell you honestly that she was at the meeting in Naples a week ago and only spoke for a few minutes, and they all were like, Onyx, she's better than you. And I'm like, okay, cool. So if you haven't seen Sierra speak and you want to come out to a meeting, please bring your guests and let Sierra help you get them signed up into your businesses. Second, I wanted to let you know that Kathy and I have started a weekly Zoom call on Thursday evening. So that's going to be at 8:30 Eastern, all the way to 5:30 Pacific, depending on what area you live in. And this is a way for you to invite your guests. So it will not be a call like this. It will not be a business call. It will be a call specific about joining your business, joining the X39, much like bringing them to an opportunity meeting like Sierra will be leading tomorrow night. In addition to that, next week, I will be in Portland. I believe it's Thursday night, the 24th. That meeting is on our team website. So if you all have people in the Seattle area or the Portland area that you'd like to get to come to the meeting, please let me know, and I'd be happy to take care of them.
Yeah, Seattle's about a 3-hour drive from Portland, but really would be worth it if you have people in Portland, see if they have time to jump down or in the Seattle area to get down to be in front of Onyx and be a powerful event. So, all right.
Fantastic.
Patsy, go ahead, Patsy.
I wanted to point out about the flat rate shipping for the gold and diamond is for new orders only.
Correct.
Not upgrades.
That's right. Yep.
Right.
Thank you for telling us, and I did not state that. Maybe I should have, but yes, absolutely. It's for new orders.
Awesome. Okay, everybody, thank you for joining us on the Zoom call. We had a great attendance, and we'll see you guys all at the Zoom on Thursday, 5:30 Pacific, 8:30 Eastern. Take care. Bye-bye.
Awesome. Bye-bye.
That was a